Hi everyone. We often get asked why the data in Google Analytics looks different than it does in PowerMetrics. So here's an example looking at the Google Analytics user interface and an API that we're getting exactly the same data with. We're using users as the example, and you can see that 13,131 seems to be the right number. Now, if we segment this data by channel grouping, you can see that Google Analytics still displays it as 13,131. But if you add up all the values from the segmented data, you actually get to 13,273. Now let's dive a little deeper. If you further segment this data and break it out by channel grouping, country, browser, medium, device category, etc., you actually get more information. And remember that the original value was 13,131, but if you add all of this data up, it's 13,868. There's more data inside of the API.